Hi students, welcome to physics class. Today we are going to discuss some important concepts. Today we are going to discuss about time of flight. What is time of flight? It is the total time for which the object is in flight is called time of flight. Once again, time of flight. It is the total time. It is the total time for which the object is in flight is called time of flight. It is denoted by capital T. So the time of flight which is denoted by capital T, it is the total time for which the object is in flight is called time of flight. It is denoted by capital T. Now total time of flight consists of two parts. In which point number 1, time taken by object to go from ground to maximum height. Ground to maximum height. Is called time of ascent. Ascent. Once again, I am repeating the point. The time taken by object to go from ground to maximum height is called time of ascent. Now see, take x-axis, take y-axis from 0 B H. This is point A. Here O to B is time of flight. O to H to B is time of flight. Time of flight. And O to H is time of ascent. Time of ascent. Now H to B is time of descent. Once again, I am repeating these 3 points. Please remember, O to H to B is called time of flight, denoted by capital T, and O to H is called time of ascent, which is denoted by small t a. H to B called as time of descent, denoted by small t d. These 3 points are important. Now, point 2. Point 2. The time taken by object. Time taken by object to go from maximum height to ground. Maximum height to ground is called time of descent. Time of descent, which is denoted by small t d. Once again, I am repeating this point. The time taken by object to go from maximum height to ground is called time of descent, which is denoted by Td. Here, next, point number 3. Point number 3. The motion of object from O to H is symmetrical to that from H to B. Once again, I am repeating, the motion of object from O to H is symmetrical to that of from H to B. That means, what we understood from this one? We understood that time of ascent is equal to time of descent. Once again, what we understood from this one? We understood that the time of ascent is equal to time of descent. The meaning is small t a is equal to small t d. Okay, the meaning is the time of ascent small t a is equal to small t d. Next point. Point number 5. Total time of flight, total time of flight, total time of flight in the bracket capital T is equal to time of ascent, time of ascent, time of ascent plus time of descent, time of descent. That means TA into TD. Once again I am repeating this point. Point number 5. Listen carefully. Time of flight capital T is equal to time of ascent plus time of descent. Therefore, capital T is equal TA plus TB. Once again, capital T is equal TA plus TB. But we know that TA is equal TB is equal T. Point number 4. That means the time of ascent is equal time of descent. That is equal T. Therefore, capital T is equal T plus T. Therefore, capital T is equal to T. Therefore, small t is equal capital T by 2. Okay. So, from this one, we know that TA is equal capital T by 2 and also TD is equal capital T by 2. This is also important. Okay, now consider these points are very important. Now see, take x-axis, take y-axis. Consider the body is covered first off like this. Here it makes an angle theta. This is ux is equal u cos theta. This one is uy is equal u sin theta. This is y-axis. Now here initially here take uy is equal u sin theta. Finally vy is equal 0 because at maximum height the final velocity is 0. So initially uy is equal to u sin theta, and for maximum height vy is equal 0. Now and also we know that small t is equal t by 2 and also ta is equal t by 2 and also we know that td is equal t by 2. Okay, that means at highest point, at highest at highest point h, comma, the vertical component velocity of object becomes zero. That means Vy is equal 0. Once again I am repeating this point. At highest point h, this point name is say h, the vertical component velocity of object becomes to 0. The meaning is Vy is equal 0. Vy is equal 0. Therefore, vertical upwards motion from 0 to h, we have Uy is equal U sin theta and Vy is equal 0. The acceleration is equal minus g and small t is equal capital T by 2. Therefore, from first equation of motion, V is equal U plus AT, but this is vertical, therefore vertical means y component. Vy is equal Uy plus AYT. Consider equation number 1. Now what is Vy? Vy is equal to 0. That is equal, what is Uy? U sin theta plus Ay. What is Ay? Minus g and t as t only. Therefore, what is t? T is equal capital T by 2. Therefore, 0 is equal to U sin theta minus g into capital T by 2. Therefore, take this one left side. G capital T by 2 is equal U sin theta. Therefore, capital T is equal to U sin theta by G. Okay, consider this is equation number 2. This is the time of light. This is the time of flight. Therefore, TA is equal TD is equal T is equal U sine theta by Z. Consider this is equation number 3. What is the reason? The reason is TA is equal TD is equal T is equal capital T by 2. This is the reason. Okay, now tell me the time of flight capital T is equal 2u sin theta by z. This is very important equation in the NEET, NDA, JEE, wherever you will go. Therefore, the time of flight, capital T is equal to u sin theta by g. Consider equation number 2. This is very important equation. I hope you understood this video. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.